is very loud in this truck. But this is an hour ride away, and we have our food with us. This is the water. This is the cooler for the food, and that's the food basket right there. And we are heading over to the waterfall. I am very excited, and I will check back in once we get there. I'm the most aesthetic person ever.
So you guys know you missed the sign that said no climbing, right? Yeah.
It's a suggestion. Exactly. You only live once. I'm never gonna be here again. I'm gonna climb the freaking rock.
I can't even open my eyes. Hello.
How are we feeling after the waterfall?
Did anybody take a lot of pictures?
Sleepy.
Malachi, I have a bunch on here.
Can you just drop them?
Yeah. Once I get Wi-Fi, I'll do that. Tai Tai?
Yeah,
Tai Tai. Are you Tai Tai? Alex, are you Tai Tai?
Oh, I'm tight. Dang, I can see myself. Hello.
How do you feel after the waterfall?
Good.
Yeah? What did you guys think of it?
Pretty sweet.
Yeah?
Good. Good. What?
And we are wrapping up our waterfall day. I didn't get any vlog type of videos, but I got a bunch of footage on the waterfall of the different levels, because there's 4 different levels of the waterfall. And we are currently heading out. Gorgeous. So I will catch you later.